How to fix Telegram GIFs not loading. If GIFs are not loading in Telegram, it's usually tied to connection issues or data settings. First, test your network by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go to Telegram settings and make sure auto download is enabled for GIFs. Check if you have enabled low data mode, which can block animated content. Also, clear the cache from Telegram settings to fix temporary loading problems. If you are using Telegram desktop, updating to the latest version often solves GIF playback bugs. And if you are using a VPN, try turning it off. It can sometimes block media servers. If a specific GIF won't load but others do, the file might be broken or unsupported. Try re-uploading it. Have you ever found a Telegram GIF that made you laugh out loud? Share it with us in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.